Hello and welcome to our project for ME210, section M01, fall 2020. For our project, we decided to do an object following robot with LEDs on the back as well.
There we go. For this hardware project, we wanted to make a robot that would track our movements, whether that be our hand or like a folder out in front of us. We wanted it to track the movements by following whatever it was that was in front of our robot without bumping into it. And while it was tracking, we wanted to use what we'd learned earlier in the semester by creating an LED circuit that would act similar to car brakes, where it would blink right if it was turning right, blink left if it was turning left. Both LEDs would show if it was braking and none would be showing if it was moving forward.
So just a brief overview of the equipment we used for this project. We obviously had the LU Smart Car as the base with an Arduino Uno affixed to the center of it. Attached to the front, we used 3 ultrasonic sensors, and on the back, we used 2 LEDs and 2 500 ohm resistors, along with a small breadboard and a whole bunch of wires throughout the whole thing. Now here you can just see a couple of the pictures of the car and how many wires we did use. On the right, you can see the LEDs working, and on the left, just an overview of the whole car. And now here, we have our basic code flowchart. Once the car was turned on, it immediately starts detecting if it has an object within the desired parameters in front of the middle detector. And if it did, it would just go forward as it was programmed to do until it would get too close. So it would stop. But if the object was too far, it would then begin looking left and right using the other 2 sensors to see if it needs to turn. And if it was closer to the left, turn left, closer to the right, it would turn right. And obviously throughout the whole thing, it turns on the LEDs, as we've been saying.
In our circuit diagram, we don't have the board that connected to the motors, which then connected to the Arduino, but we do show each motor where the wiring would be for each pin, as well as each of the echo and trig pins for all 3 of our ultrasonic sensors, and a diagram of our LED circuit and the pins that led into for our Arduino.
And then here we just have a snippet of the code. It's just the end of the void loop, just the basis of the program.
Even though it is a little hard to tell in the video, both lights are fully working, lighting up when they need to. They're able to show when the robot is braking, turning, or moving forward. That is the end of our presentation here.
Thanks for watching.